Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unhide Instagram comments, and now let's dive right in. Now to unhide Instagram comments, first open up your Instagram app, and over here guys you need to know a thing that is your videos, your comments on Instagram can be hidden because of multiple reasons. We'll be going through them step by step. So in order to proceed, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon in a small circle. Tap on that, and on this interface again tap on the three-lined icons at the top right corner of the screen. And on this interface guys, you can see first you need to check either your account is private or a personal one. So if your account is made private, then many of your comments will be hidden. To check that guys, scroll down and go to the account privacy option over here, tap on it, and you can see the toggle icon is turned off for my account. Make sure your account is not private by making sure if the icon is blue and turned on, tap on it and it will be turned back to off or gray like this one, and your account will be made public again. So let's go back, and from this interface scroll down where it says the comments under the category how others can interact with you. Tap on comments, and over here if you have filter out your comments from people you follow or your followers, or people you follow and your followers and not everyone, you can tap on everyone. This way your Instagram comments will be unhidden. And let's go back, and similarly tap on the block comments from. If you have blocked any commenters over here, their comment won't be available for everybody except you. So filter out these things, and let's go back guys. And finally, and let's scroll down, you can see the hidden words option available for us. Tap on that, and if you have chosen to hide comments, you can see it says Instagram will automatically move a variety of comments such as those that are potentially offensive or spam to a separate section. Anyone can see these comments and you can unhide them anytime. Make sure to turn that off, and scroll down. If you have filtered some words and you want the words to be seen on Instagram account, you can choose to unhide these comments by tapping on the toggle icon again. And let's go back, and going through these tips guys, your comments on Instagram will be unhidden. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.